Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use TradingView Basic, easy method. Start by creating a free account and opening a clean chart layout to follow along. Add a symbol and choose a time frame that matches your strategy, then save that layout. Use the drawing toolbar to mark support and resistance and apply one moving average for trend clarity. Keep settings simple while you learn, then expand tools gradually as confidence grows. Open the drawing toolbar and get comfortable with the crosshair and ruler for precise readings. Add a moving average and RSI to avoid analysis paralysis while you learn patterns. Practice placing trend lines and horizontal levels to spot breakouts or bounces. Use the watch list to track several instruments and switch charts quickly. Developing a short checklist before trading helps you stay disciplined and reduces emotional decisions in live markets. Thanks for sticking with me, and if this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: try the Kindle Paperwhite for reading trading books and jotting ideas while away from your desk. It's lightweight and easy on the eyes. I put the link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. All right, now let's get back to the video. Create a watch list of instruments you follow and pin it to your workspace for fast access. Set price alerts on critical levels so you get notified without staring at the screen. Configure alert messages to remind you of entry, stop loss, and target so decisions are consistent. Use sound or email alerts based on your setup. Regularly review and trim your watch list to keep it actionable and relevant to your trading plan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.